Hi royalties, I'm Tammy, Glam Queen of DIY, and welcome back to the palace. And today I'm presenting to you my Jingle Bells Tablescape. This Jingle Bells Tablescape is part of the group Heaven's Pearls. I'm dropping the ladies' links in my description box. Make sure you check out that playlist link also. Alright, here's what I created for this tablescape. Alright royalties, that concludes my Jingle Bells Tablescape. And if you're watching and you're still not a family member of the Glam Queen of DIY, hit that subscribe button, tap that bell twice, and you'll know when I am uploading a video. Alright, I can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay put.